Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make your Notion more aesthetic. But first, if you want to master your favorite tech platforms, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video. So one way to make your Notion more aesthetic is by using an aesthetic template. To do that, go to your favorite web browser and then search for Aesthetic Notion Templates. It will then direct you to Notion website where you can duplicate or download an aesthetic template. You can see here the Notion website, just tap on that. From Notion website, you can now download an aesthetic template. For example, this template, Aesthetic Nature. You can choose to view first the template before using it, or you can start with the template. Just tap on that to use the template. It will then automatically direct you to your Notion account. Look at this template, it's so aesthetic. It has design, emoji, and many more. It also has different colors and background photo. It also has different font style that is really so aesthetic. You can design your own template or you can duplicate a template from Notion website. Just search for aesthetic template and then search for the template that you want. These aesthetic templates are for free. And that is one way to make your Notion more aesthetic by duplicating or downloading a template. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.